So I'm just gonna call out the shit as I see it, because that's the way it happens. That's the way it happens. So we have white and gray cars right there. Pretty much everywhere, right? So you know what I did want to go check out though? What I did want to go check out. So this bitch is a gang stalker right here. She pulled up. But, you know. One thing I did want to go check out is fuck it. We're not going to go check that out. So I want people to be aware of the cars that are moving around as I leave. First car is a gray car, right? There's a black car. And that's the way this whole thing is designed. Like if I recorded all day, you know. So she's leaving in her gray car because her assignment is done probably, right? So watch this gray truck down here to my right as I approach it. Watch. Now, did you see that? So there's a gray truck, and I knew it was going to be moving. So there's a gray truck, right? And a gray van right there. And it's all, do you see how that's orchestrated? And there's a white vehicle right there. Gray vehicle pulling in right there. And if you're targeted, and the monkey's got a red hat on. So if you're targeted, you will understand what I'm talking about. But if you're not, you won't. So how did I know that gray truck was going to leave before it even moved? Right? How did I know that? So, and here's a car that was supposed to end up, I was supposed to pull out. Here's a white vehicle. I was supposed to pull out. You see that car leaving over there? Let's see what we have here. Gray car, white car, gray car, gray car. It's all part of the plan. Gray car, white car, white car. As crazy as this shit sounds, that's all orchestrated for targets. So I'm gonna try to start doing this kind of video a little bit more. There's a gray and a white car over there moving at the gas station, and that is just the way it's fucking planned, man, for targets. As you can see, they're not getting gas, they're just moving over there at the gas station, right? A white vehicle. So that gray vehicle just pulled through there, probably to come this way, or, you know. So there's a white vehicle moving over there. So now this is so another gray vehicle, right? White. Yeah, so we'll see who this guy is. Black Beamer pulling out. 56918G2. Gray vehicle that was supposed to be behind me. White and gray vehicle parked over here on my way home. Gray vehicle right there. White, gray, black. Sounds crazy as fuck, but that's what they do to targeted people. It's just what they do. And today is light because I didn't go to work and I kind of slept in, and you know, it's just lighter because they know I'm not. So that gray truck up there also has one